Hinikayat ni retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio ang pamahalaan na magsampa ng protesta laban sa China sa kanilang inihain na statement on the baseline of the territorial sea sa United Nations noong isang linggo, kung saan inaangkin nila ang Scarborough Shoal bilang bahagi umano ng kanilang territorial water.
What we should do is to file a protest that China has no territorial sovereignty over Scarborough Shoal because Scarborough Shoal belonged to the Philippines in 1734. It's reiterated in the 1808 75 pacts.
Ayon kay Justice Carpio, hindi na kailangang madelay ng matagalang pagsasampa ng protesta ng Pilipinas laban sa China.
We cannot delay this anymore because China has already raised the issue impliedly by finding that their state baselines in Scarborough Shoal a few days ago. And also they have been swarming on the territorial sea of Pag-asa. We have to protest that.
Naniniwala si Justice Carpio na patibong ng China sa Pilipinas ang kanilang inihaing strait baseline. Aniya, gusto ng China na itulak ang Pilipinas na tutulan ang strait baseline na ito. At kapag tumutol ang Pilipinas at sinabing dapat gumawa ang China ng normal na baseline, para na ring tinanggap ng bansa na China ang may territorial sovereignty sa Scarborough Shoal.
We attack only the baselines. We don't question the territorial sovereignty of China. Then we lose. We will be likely accepting that China has territorial sovereignty over Scarborough Shoal.
Dagdag ni Carpio, hindi mananalo ang Pilipinas sa China kung magkakaiba ang ating naratibo o batayan ng pag-claim natin sa ating teritoryo. Aniya, kailangang upuan ito ng pamahalaan, pribadong sektor, akadim, at iba pang sektor na maaaring makatulong upang magkaroon ng isang malakas na naratibo laban sa claim ng China.
As far as the maritime dispute is concerned, we have a perfect score. We've won that landmark ruling. We correctly based it on UNCLOS, on international law, so we have that award. But on the territorial dispute, we don't have common narrative that's anchored on international law. So my appeal tonight is let us sit down and agree what is our common narrative on the territorial dispute. When do we start our claim? 1734, 1956, 1978, or we are still looking for that thing?
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.